y'all been apart?
Fluffy. She wasn't fluffy.
Videoing?
Yeah.
I was like, what are you doing?
Fluffy was
Oh,
My toy.
Oh, this is the greatest thing. She showed it to us and Bob bought one, and we take it to band, record all of our practice, bring it home, and I can actually play my clarinet
Put it on a
with
computer.
the band.
oh,
It's
great.
wonderful, and he sits there and goes through what he needs to do on percussion,
They
and
can run in circles.
it's wonderful. It's big help. Because it's no fun to play clarinet by yourself. Never sounds good.
I don't know. I can't play anything.
Well,
I have trouble with the radio.
I do too.
He's not real happy to be in that band, but he does it.
I used to want to be a drummer. I took sticks and beat on everything. Hard on my
Well,
parents.
that's kind of what
Hudson,
I
you're
do.
the star.
This Christmas they gave me two of the Christmas
Yeah, that
jingle
cat
bells.
is cute.
I got one in each hand now.
Okay,
And
you're
there's one
advanced
song
from
that
one
I
end to
I
two.
play it for 5 minutes on the beat.
Like this. He's all worn out after that one beat.
That's good exercise.
Yes, it is.
And Charlie and Mary Lynn.
I'm looking.
Did you get a stick in the middle of the picture?
Actually, I don't have,
just a thought about it.
I need to put, red eye reduction. Let me do it again, so maybe I'll. Pretend you're going to
Say hi. See you on YouTube.
You put this on YouTube?
I'm gonna get one.
Yeah, she's got a whole
Ton of videos on there.
kittens pink cat.
Yep.
Kittens pink cat. Right, Robert?